Programming languages and computer coding have made life simpler for us. Whether it's automobiles, banks, home appliances, or hospitals, every aspect of our lives depends on codes. No wonder, coding is one of the core skills required by most well-paying jobs today. Coding skills are especially of value in the IT, data analytics, research, web designing, and engineering segments. So, which programming languages will continue to be in demand in 2020 and beyond? 10. MATLAB. MATLAB is a statistical analysis tool that is used in various industries for data analysis. MATLAB is used widely in the computer vision and image processing industry as well. 9. C#. C# is a general-purpose programming language developed by Microsoft. C# is widely used for back-end programming, building games, using Unity, building Windows mobile phone apps and lots of other use cases. 8. PHP. PHP is among the most popular back-end programming language. Though PHP is facing tough competition from Python and JavaScript, the market still needs a large number of PHP developers. Those who wish to join a reasonably well-oiled organization as a back-end developer should aim to learn PHP programming. 7. Swift. Swift is a general-purpose compiled programming language developed by Apple that offers developers a simple and cohesive syntax. It is deeply influenced by Python and Ruby that's fast, secure, and easy to learn. Owing to its versatility and practical applications, Swift has replaced Objective-C as the main language for Apple-related applications. 6. R. R programming language is one of the most commonly used programming languages for data analysis and machine learning. R provides an excellent framework and built-in libraries to develop powerful machine learning algorithms. R is also used for general statistical computing as well as graphics. R has been well adopted by enterprises. Those who wish to join analytics team of a large organization should definitely learn R. 5. Go programming language. Go, also known as Golang, is a programming language built by Google. Go provides excellent support for multi-threading and so, it is being used by a lot of companies that rely heavily on distributed systems. Go is widely used in startups in Silicon Valley. However, it is yet to be adopted by many companies' startups. Those who wish to join a Valley-based startup specializing in core systems should master Golang. A Stack Overflow survey reveals that Go is the 5th most preferred language among developers today. This is because Go solves issues like slow compilation and execution in large distributed software systems. 4. JavaScript Node.js. JavaScript, also known as Node.js, is a popular language among developers who need to work on server-side and client-side programming. It is compatible with several other programming languages, allowing you to create animations, set up buttons, and manage multimedia. Owing to its high speed and regular annual updates, JavaScript is an ultimate hit in the IT domain. Reputed firms like Netflix, Uber, PayPal, and several startups use JavaScript to create dynamic web pages that are secure and fast. In fact, the 2018 Developer Skills Report by HackerRank shares that JavaScript is the top programming skill required by companies today. 3. C++. C++ is like the bread and butter of programming. Almost all low-level systems such as operating systems, file systems, etc. are written in C++. If you wish to be a system-level programmer, C++ is the language you should learn. C++ is also widely used by competitive programmers owing to the fact that it is extremely fast and stable. C++ also provides something called STL, Standard Template Library. STL is a pool of ready-to-use libraries for various data structures, arithmetic operations, and algorithms. The library support and speed of the language make it a popular choice in the high-frequency trading community as well. 2. Java. Java is another popular choice in large organizations and it has remained so for decades. Java is widely used for building enterprise-scale web applications. Java is known to be extremely stable and so, many large enterprises have adopted it. If you are looking for a development-based job at a large organization, Java is the language that you should learn. Java is also widely used in Android app development. Almost any business today needs an Android application owing to the fact that there are billions of Android users today. This opens up a huge opportunity for Java developers given the fact that Google has created an excellent Java-based Android development framework, Android Studio. 1. Python. Python undoubtedly tops the list. It is widely accepted as the best programming language to learn first. Python is fast, easy to use, and easy to deploy programming language that is being widely used to develop scalable web applications. YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, SurveyMonkey are all built in Python. Python provides excellent library support and has a large developer community. The programming language provides a great starting point for beginners. Talking about those who are looking for a better job, you should definitely learn Python ASAP. A lot of startups are using Python as their primary back-end stack, and so, this opens up a huge opportunity for full-stack Python developers. Here is a sample Python Hello World program. Print Hello World. Yes, Python is that simple. Anyone who wishes to join a startup should master Python programming. Summary. Nearly all coders have an insatiable thirst for learning new languages. However, knowing which languages are gaining popularity and can ensure a better career growth will help you prioritize learning them first. Use the information shared in this post to make an informed decision in this matter. I hope you would have found your answer to which programming language to learn first by now. Comment in the comments section, and I'll be happy to respond. All the best. Please like and subscribe this channel.